The Kaplan Business Challenge, a truly unique and interactive way for your employees to improve their business finance skills.
I think that someone that has completed the Kaplan Business Challenge will have a better understanding of the roles that are crucial to an organization. Also understanding that the creativity and thinking outside of the box is also important because you have to be able to outdo your competitors.
The Kaplan Business Challenge is a strategic training workshop that simulates a real-world business.
So before doing the Kaplan Business Challenge, I didn't have any accounting or finance background, but after playing the game, I understood that each of those departments are crucial to an organization, and I understood that throughout the game, both of those areas are important and they were the key to our success.
Participants must work together as the senior management team assigned to turn a failing former multi-million-dollar company back into a success story.
I think that businesses will benefit from doing the Kaplan Business Challenge because they will have employees that understand the importance of each of the departments. The employees won't just focus on one area. They will try to understand each of the other departments as well because they all work together in the end. I would definitely recommend the Kaplan Business Challenge to others.
The challenge is intended for all employees within your organization who need a fuller understanding of business finance and the importance of key financial decisions. Furthermore, the challenge can be customized to meet your company's specific needs.